Hey everyone, Best Bronzers 2019. Let's jump right in. Okay, first one is Benefit. They're really good. Hate the packaging, always hated the packaging, but the products are great. They come in various shades, the bronzers now, and that's great. Perfect for also using it as a transitional shade. Beautiful. Hourglass, stunning, 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 beautiful. Oh, the bronzers are just so pretty. Hourglass, in my opinion, do very little wrong. More of a contouring product, but still excellent. Also good for eyeshadow. Kevyn, Aucoin, can't go wrong. Shame the company doesn't know its arse from its elbow because they just keep releasing horrid products. But these staples here, they're just extraordinary. This is quite a nice one. I actually quite like it. And it is the Kim Kardashian sort of bronzer contouring products. But focus, child. Very, very good. You know, you also get quite a bit of product in here, 7.5 grams, not to be sneezed at. Just kidding. Okay, so next we've got Becca, and look at that color. Now, this is what I call a gorgeous blusher if you have a deeper skin tone, because you can see the red in it, right? That's what we want, people. That's what we want, and that's what we've got. Next up, Bronzing by Bobbi Brown. An oldie, but a goodie, like me. Very, very, very good. They come in great shade ranges. They've got some illuminating ones if you want to pretend that the sun can give you a shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. I love bronzers because you can use them in the crease of your eye. It's just gorgeous. Tom Ford, still an absolute staple. Never use that. Like to use this a lot. Really, 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 really good. Speaking of Tom Ford, if you've got the money, and gram for gram, this is cheaper than Bobbi Brown. You get 20 grams of product in here. It's absolutely gigantic and is very, very good and very much worth the money. And for those of you who want a little taste of something else, or a little bit of both, highlighter and bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. Filmstart Bronzing Glow is incredible. It is an absolute bloody staple in my kit, and it shall remain so for all eternity. Thanks for watching. All the links, you know where they are, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.